Good morning everyone. Today we're going to make a tutorial on how to solve systems of linear equation using the Cramer's rule.
So we have our given here 3x plus y equals 6 and 4x plus 3y equals 4. So our goal here is to find the x and y. So we need to have a augmented matrix. So in augmented matrix, we need to write the x word 3 and 4. So in augmented matrix, we need to write the x coefficient and the y coefficient and the constant.
So the next step is we need to find the values of d sub x, and d sub y. So to find the value of d sub x, and d sub y, we must first cover the constant in finding the value of d. So we need to write down the remaining numbers that we see in our augmented matrix. Same thing when we wanted to find the value of d sub x. We need to cover the x coefficient part of the augmented matrix. And we will write down 1, 3, 6, and 4. Okay, so next we need to cover the y coefficient part of the augmented matrix to find the value of d sub y. So we write down this there. So the next step, we need to cross multiply these numbers, and the upper product is we need to find the difference of the upper product and the lower product. So we cross multiply this, and this. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. So that's the value of d. So 4 times 1 is equal to 4 minus 3. I multiply 3 and 6. So in finding the value of d sub x, first cross multiply 1 and 4 and 3 and 6. So we will get the value of 4 minus 18. And it will become negative 14. The next thing is we were going to need to find the values of d sub y. So the same thing, we need to cross multiply these numbers. So 6 times 4 equals 24 minus 4 times 3, which is 12. We have the value of 12. So there we have it. We have the values of d, the values of d sub x, and the values of d sub y.
So for us to find the value of x and y, we need to have a formula. So the formula for x is equal to d sub x over d.
And the formula for y is y equals d sub y over d.
So we simply substitute the value of d sub x over d. So we have now the value of x, which is negative 14 over 5.
So next is we're going to find the value of y. So the same as finding the value of x, we just need to substitute the value of d sub y and d. D sub y, value of d sub y is 12 and the value of d is 5. So since we can no longer simplify this answer, this is just going to be the value of our y. So it will become negative 14 over 5 and 12 over 5.
So there you have it, guys. That's how you solve systems of linear equation using Cramer's rule.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that most of you learned something from this tutorial. Until next time, friends.